Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. This is my 18 by 24 inch canvas. And I've decided, since I've seen things work out that I didn't expect them to, that I'm just going to put paint on, smear it around. And that'll be my stage one, probably. That was Mead and Black. This is Decoart Americana 24 karat gold. I'm going to slide in a little bit of Anita's white metallic. And pick a color like, I'm thinking pink carnation. And I don't want to go too hog wild because I can always add more colors as I go along. I am going to use some of this. It was Crimson Lust, and then it got a holly berry added to it, and quinacridone red, and it's just a custom red, which is not that dissimilar from the pink carnation. I don't have a lot of jasmine left, but I think I'm going to use some. For a start. And I might as well compare it to, oh, it's still breathing, the Dancing Fuchsia. And since I'm doing it, I might as well go the whole 9 yards and add ginger flower. And I can always add orange after, which is what I'm thinking of doing. And red violet and the other colors I like. This is Whispering Wisteria. Now I'm going to find a spatula. Move my black out of the way and my gold. Find a place to start. Scrape off my spatula along the edge and use my residuals. I'm missing the orange already. I know that the Anita's white metallic will flush the pink right out, make it something else. I'm going to try and leave the black for afters, as in move with the other colors around beforehand. Loving that Whispering Wisteria. Almost ready. Oh, the Anita's makes cells. There goes my black. So as soon as I've got black in the mix, it's going to be a whole different game. Now the gold kind of makes an orange color, so that's neat. Time to pick up that black. Let's see what it'll do for me. Kind of feel like leaving the white spaces. That's not really part of the deal. I wasn't trying to paint a painting, I was trying to paint a background, but you know what happens if you watch me at all. That's what happens. I'm going to steal some of this black right now before I add some orange, if I'm going to still add orange at all. I know I'm going to miss the white when it's gone. So I should really be trying to keep it. But if I follow through, I'll remember that this was a process worth doing. My follow through is going to be scraping. Where'd my white go? There it is. Anywhere else? Might have to wipe off my spatula. But where? Oops. Oh well. Got a couple of splooges. Kind of feel like blowing them out. Not sure they're going to stay. But I can certainly This is the tool I was going to play with anyway. It's just that I really don't want to anymore. It's just that when I like what I see, I get chicken. I'm sure I'm not the only one. So I have a Michaels tool from a set of 2 that I will insert the promotional, the card that the packaging came in. Right there. But I'm going to use it now, I think. I'm going to use the small side. Yes, I am. Where am I going to start? Once I have a little residual on there, it's hard not to want to use it. Especially through the black. You do need less paint, like seriously, or you'll have no chance of making marks. Guess I'm not going to try and make this into a background. Go figure. Just going to keep scraping along. It's a because I can moment. I could use the graduated side, but I don't think that's what I want to do. Fairly dramatic. I forgot to add the orange too. I might still want to add some black. I might want to do something tomorrow. You never know. In the meantime, this is an awful lot of fun. I do see something that doesn't look like it belongs. Yeah, I got it. Let's just camouflage that with a fingerprint. Ha! Oh, I've got a big puddle of paint. That could be a problem. Or it could be a solution. This is just way too much fun. And evidently very therapeutic. And for right now, I think I'm going to call it good. Because it's just that much fun. Although, I've got paint on my tool. And I kind of want to use it up. I'm a little nervous about cross-hatching, which is just crossing one thing over another. Not a bad idea to try. All things in their own time. A few here and there. Don't seem to be hurting anything. Although I'm not sure about that one. That might have been the one. Or not. I still have some white in there, which is what I wanted. I could have left more negative space, I know that. I do love these colors together. I could have added more colors, definitely. I thought I would fool myself into using fewer by promising myself I could add more. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions. It will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.